Greetings, witches. Okay, so quickly. Certainly a quick one today. I promise it will be. So I hope you enjoyed the ritual last night. If you weren't there for the live, catch the replay. It's in the group. It's also up on YouTube and Pinterest. And if you've done doing any of our courses, it's up in the ongoing learning content. I will also at some point post it up today in our new Path of Witchcraft social media for witches. Hi, Mandy. So yeah, it's there if you want to do it. Okay. The reason I'm here this morning, so it seems to be a thing where I'm coming on here after doing my Kundalini. So yeah, the wearing black has been interesting. It intensifies the practice even more than wearing white. Whoa. Hello, how are you, Mandy? It's good to see you. So what I thought I'd come and do this morning, because in another group, I think there's a couple of groups actually that I'm in. People were asking about anxiety, but not full on, full blown kind of thing that I had the other day, which was really weird. But like just, like very mild anxiety. And there's something really, really cool you can do for that. It's called bee breath. Yeah. And it's something I used to do whenever I got anxiety. I also manage that in other ways through Yapa meditation, which is using a mala and repeating. It's usually a word or a very short sentence for 108 times. So that's the other way you can manage, more kind of full on anxiety. But if you're just getting a very slight panic attack, bee breath is amazing. Yeah. As is 4-4-8 breath, but bee breath it's fun as well. And there is a mudra that goes with it, but I'll do the mudra at another time. Okay. We'll focus on the bee breath right now. So bee breath, the reason it's called bee breath is because it makes a sound like this. And what happens is it vibrates around your whole face, up into your head. So the idea when you do this, your lips are together. If they're a bit dry, just moisten them a little bit. Yeah. They'll tickle when you do it. That's when you know you're doing it right, because your lips feel tickly. Yeah. It could be a bit. It can make you go like that. So the sound isn't coming from here. It's resonating all through here. Yeah. So if you know anything about singing, you place the sound through your head. Yeah. Okay. And you can do it for as long as you need to. And like I say, there is a mudra that goes with it as well, but I'll do that another day because I've got an appointment at 1 o'clock and I need to prep for it. So we're just going to do 3 rounds. So the idea is you keep the bee breath going for as long as your exhale, because you're exhaling. Yeah. So for as long as you're exhaling, you do the bee breath, stop, breathe in, and again. Yeah. So we're going to do 3 of those, and then, use it whenever you like. Get your kids doing it because they'll love it. Then we go around the garden making bee noises. Okay. So, and if you want to ground beforehand, that's fine. It's up to you. So we're going to take an inhale, breathing in, and bee breath. And it's a m sound. Okay. Just in case you didn't know. Breathe in. Take a few deep breaths there. So like I say, you can carry on going with that. Oh wow, that's amazing, Mandy. That is so cool. See, kids have got no inhibition. So, you know, throat singing for them, you know, it's like, you know, adults get all worried about, you know, oh my God, you know, what sound am I making? Kids, they just do it. I love it. So when you've done as many as you want, just come back to center, take a few deep breaths and check in, yeah, with yourself. Because you'll also find what this is very, very good for is if you, if your head feels cloudy, it's very good for headaches. It does. It is amazing, isn't it? It's like your whole face and head and everything in it is going. That's kind of what it would be like, I suppose, if you had a bee in your bonnet. So think of it like that. It gets rid of the bee in your bonnet. Yeah. So really, really good for anxiety. It's also really, really good if if your thinking's a bit cloudy or you've got a bit of a muzzy headache, you know, especially around the time when people get hay fever, you know, in the sun, when, you know, it's like, oh, you know, the heat is getting to my head. Yeah, how often do you hear people say that? Really good for that as well. What else is it really good for? It's really good as a warm-up, vocal warm-up as well, because it gets everything warmed up and around your sinuses and your head for singing. So yeah, it's a general all-round good egg. Bee breath. And funny enough, it's something that you don't see a lot in yoga books. It's in a very old yoga book that my mum gave me many over 20 years ago. And it's a book from the 70s and it's in there, but you don't really see it a lot. I don't know why. Anyway, that was what I came here to do today. So go and be bees wherever you might be. Oh my God, I'm on one now. We will see you tomorrow for Summer Finding and Day of Heimdall as well. It'd be like a mini festival, yeah? It's going to be great. I have no idea what we're going to do, but there will be chanting and there will be drumming and music generally, okay? So have an amazing day. Use your bee breath if you need to. Don't forget, and we were getting more and more members by the day. It's so cool. Go to thepathofwitchcraft.com for our social media platform just for witches. I've made some changes. I've tweaked things, so you will have to answer questions when you try and sign up. Okay, that's to stop the trollers. All right, that's to stop the Abrahamics trying to infiltrate. Okay, because we don't want none of that shit. Yeah, I've made some other changes. So have a good old look around on there. Add your content, you know, add your tunes, your favorite pagan tunes, you know, write a witchcraft article and whack it up there. You know, come on, let's get this community rolling. Because once it starts rolling, it won't fucking stop. You know that, don't you? Also, I'll put that link. So I'm really excited. Sorry. Why am I apologising? I don't know. www.thepathofwitchcraft.com. Check spelling. Cool. And yeah, I'm still plugging our advanced witchcraft course because I think it's fucking amazing. It is just amazing. And the soul realignment, that is there's still 4 places left if you want a free soul realignment reading. I'll put, oh no, I want the other one, don't I? I want the actual link. Actual link, please. Thank you. So I'll talk to my laptop. Talk to my laptop and the internet. Yeah, I've gone crazy now. Right. Bear with me. That was the front door. So I'll put it back. my goodness. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not excited. So am I. This is my boots. My vegan riding boots. Sorry about that. I had to dash off. That's what happens when you don't have a butler to answer the door for you. Right. So yeah, advanced witchcraft course. There are, yeah, like I say, 4 spaces available. If you sign up for the advanced witchcraft course, you will get a free soul realignment reading. Run up and downstairs. So you only get a free one when you sign up for the advanced witchcraft course. If you want a soul realignment reading without signing up, it's £250. And any ongoing kind of check-ins. I'm not actually sure whether to do it donation-based or not yet, but we'll see. We'll work that out as we go. So yes, haha. It's exciting, and I'm excited because I've got my boots. Mandy, I don't think you're doing the advanced witchcraft. I think you're doing the Curious Novice. So the free soul realignment reading is only part of the advanced witchcraft course. But obviously, you know, once you finish Curious Novice, if you want to, you know, join us on the advanced witchcraft, that's fine. If you want a soul realignment reading separate from the course, then it's £250. Okay, I've got to go because I've got to go and prep for a manifesting blueprint reading. So we will see you tomorrow for summer finding. I think it's 3 p.m. Let me just check that. Oh God, I'm on the wrong page. I'm a week ahead of myself already. Yeah, 3 p.m. UK time. Now, time zones have shifted because of summertime. So if anyone knows what 3 p.m. UK time translates as in America or anywhere else, please type it in because I'm all confused. Oh dear. So we will see you tomorrow, 3 p.m. here in the Path of Witchcraft. The plan is one day to be doing these live events, you know, in our social media witchcraft group, but they don't have a live stream option that's not paid for at the moment. So yes, we will see you tomorrow. Have an amazing witchy day. What's that? I don't know what that is. Peace and long life. Live long and prosper. And blessings. Oh.